Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Mahmoud Hassan. I'm a student of Russia University. I'm doing my BBA in banking and insurance. Right now I'm a third year. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to calculate mathematical problems in Excel. So I will show you some mathematical how to solve mathematical problems of time value of money. So at first we have to open the Excel file. So here you can see two types of problem. And one is how to calculate the future value from the initial investment, and the second requirement is how to calculate present value from future amount. Here you can see the present value or the initial investment is 10,000 and the rate of interest is 6% and the number of year is 5. In the second case, you can see the future value is 25,249.54 and the rate of interest is 6% and the number of year is 4. And for this case, we have to find out the present value. So let's get acquainted with this term, that means the present value. What is present value and what is future value? Future value, present value is the amount of money invested in a financial institution at a specific rate of interest to get a lump sum money after a certain period of time. And the future value is the amount of money we receive from a financial institution after a certain period of time at a specific rate of interest. And so we have to find out the future value in the first requirement. So when you solve mathematical problem in Excel, at first you have to take the equal sign. So take the equal sign at first, and then we have to use formula. Without using formula, we cannot solve mathematical problem in Excel. So here you can see that we are going to find out the future value. So we have to use the formula of future value. So use the formula of future value LC and take the first bracket. Here you can see all types of requirement. Then the first requirement is rate. Second requirement is NPER, means number of year. After that, payment, and the following that PV, and the last one is time. So according to the requirement, we have to take the information from the question. So take the rate at first. So here you can see the rate of interest is 6%. So take the rate of interest, and NPR. NPR means number of year. So here you can see the number of year is 5. So take the number of year, and then the third option is payment. Payment means actually here in this mathematical problem there is no payment, so the payment option will be 0. And then here you can see the present value is between the third bracket. That means the present value cannot be negative. So if you take positive sign before the present value, then your future value will be negative. So to make the future value positive, we should take negative sign before the present value. So at first we take the negative sign before the present value. So and then take the present value, and the last requirement is type. So type will be 0, and then close the bracket and press enter. We will get the future value. That means if you invest $10,000 in a financial institution at 6% interest for 5 years, after 5 years you will get $13,382.26. In the second case, you can see the future value is 25,249.54. The rate of interest is 6%, number of year is 4. And in this case, we have to find out the present value. That means if you want to get $25,249.54 from a financial institution after 4 years at 6% interest rate, how much money will you have to invest in that financial institution? So take the equal sign at first, and we are going to find out the present value. So definitely we have to use the formula of PV, that means present value. So take the first bracket. Here you can see the all requirement. According to the requirement, we have to input the information. So the first requirement is rate of interest. Here you can see the rate of interest is 6%, and then NPR. NPR means number of years. So here you can see the number of year is 4. So take the number of year, and then the payment option will be 0. Actually, because the here in this mathematical problem there is no actually payment. So and then future value is between the third bracket. So we should take the negative sign before the third bracket to make the present value positive. So and then take the future value, and the type will be 0. So and then close the bracket, take press enter. We'll get the present value or initial investment. That means if you invest $20,000 in a financial institution at 6% interest for 4 years, After 4 years, you will get $25,249.54. So this is how actually we can calculate mathematical problems in Excel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new video. Obviously press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. So stay connected with this channel and learn something easily.